Let's go.
Hello guys, in this video we are gonna do BOAT Immortal 300 headphone unboxing and full review. I really like this product packaging, it's really good of this headphone. In this video audio is recorded in this headphone, so you guys know mic quality. So which is audio you're hearing right now is recorded by in this headphone. So let's see what we are getting in this box. Must read before use manual. Obviously headphone. One-year manufacturer warranty card. And another box. Let's see what's inside of this box. Unidirectional mic. More guide notes and more detail cards about product, and with it you will get two cables. So this cable length is 2 meter as you can see, and BOAT headphone sticker. One is USB to type C cable, which will be useful to connect headphone with PC, and another cable comes with type C to type C, which will be helpful to connect mobile with headphone. So you can also use this headphone with mobile. Okay, let's talk about this headphone quality. Headband on this headphone is really good. I like the headband. Some headphone is like foam based headband, which is like disappear after some time. I like this quality of headband, it's really good for long usage. And I also like this cushion quality, it's also really good. It's really soft and it's really good for long usage. As you can see, left side of this headphone you will get LED toggle on off and mode button. With that you can change the mode, 3D mode, surrounded mode and music mode. And bottom of that you will see passive mic, and bottom of that you will see detachable boom mic slot where you can attach mic. Compared to my old headset, this mic is not that much good. They saying there is a 7.1 channel surround sound noise cancellation mic, but I don't think there is that, because this mic quality is not that much good compared to my old headset Exa 900. There is also in my old headset there was a 7.1 channel surround sound, but that was much better than this. But in this budget I think this is the best. and bottom of that you will see scroll wheel. With that you can control volume, and top of that there will be mute button. Headphone quality is really good. It's made by plastic and it's really flexible, and from both of side you can adjust according to your head. Let me tell you what I like and what I don't like in this headphone. So I don't like the cable quality of this headphone. The cable quality of this headphone is not that much good. I don't like this. It's not for long use, it will be broke after a year. So I don't like the cable quality of this headphone. I'm sure it will be broken in a year. My quality of this headphone, but I think this is the best in this price. And yeah guys, don't forget to follow me on social. I provide all links down below in description. Follow there for more updates. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to smash the like and please subscribe the channel for more awesome videos, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.